Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdegam Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very simple case of headache, a simple case of migraine, but I prescribed a remedy which normally is used for other conditions very frequently, but in this case I got to learn when I prescribe this remedy. Hence I always say homeopathy is all about the interpretation of symptoms of the patient's language to the language of mater medica and to the language of repertory. Here what the patient had told me and how did I reach to that remedy. This was a case where the patient always told me that there is a swelling backside of the head and there is a lot of pain. He had swelling here, and he had a lot of pain. And I asked him how is the pain. He said नहीं sir बस pain होता है, pain बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. And then I asked him how does the pain go in the front or in the back or in the sides, and he immediately told me, sir, pain starts from here and it's all the time comes forward. I said, any other thing, does it come down to the face? He said, no sir, the pain starts from here and comes down to the forehead, that's all. It is, or it comes down here. It can be anywhere here. It sometimes comes here, sometimes comes here, but it comes forward. So this was the extension of pain the patient told me. I said, now how does the pain increase? When does the pain increase? And he said, sir, whenever I am bending my head forward like this, the pain increases. So hence whenever I get headache, I have to put my head like this and it gets relief. He has to put head like this, because whenever he does head like this, the pain increases. I said, anything else? He said, whenever I deep breathe also like this, the headache also starts. And whenever I don't pass stools or I have no stools for 2 or 3 days, then the headache starts. These are the specific symptom told by the patient. With every symptom the patient has told us, we have 2 or 3 remedy for that symptom. Then something unusual patient told me. The patient told me, sir, ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसी पूरी मेरी स्किन तनी हुई है, ऐसे टाइट लगता है पूरा स्किन, और यहाँ पे ऐसे मसल्स फड़कते हैं, पूरा स्काल्प का स्किन टाइट लगता है. He feels as if the skin is very tight, ऐसे कुछ ने स्ट्रेच करके टाइट कर दिया हो, और यहाँ पे ऐसी कभी कभी मुझे टेम्पल्स पे ऐसी स्किन फड़कती है. These were the wordings of the patient. I'll tell you how did I go to the symptoms of the patient then. I said, anything more? He said, sir, whenever there is headache, so normally when I go to stools and when I come from stools, the headache, there is a bursting headache. These were the symptoms of the patient. Now bursting headache, occipital headache, coming forward, aggravation by bending head backward by deep inspiration with constipation, the stretched feeling in the head. If you see this symptom, there are 2 or 3 drugs which definitely comes to our mind. Maybe you can think about belladonna, you can think about Lunine, you can think about gelsemium, lot of drugs, but that did not give any relief. When I repetized this case, a very infrequently used remedy for headache, I learned from this, and that remedy I prescribed to the patient. Now let us see how did the patient tell symptoms and how do we convert these symptoms into a repertory language. The first symptom that the patient told was swelling type लगता है, swelling in the occiput लगता है, such सूज है मेरा occiput. The first symptom. Second, he had pain in the occiput extending forward, or he had sometime pain in the occiput extending forward to the vertex. Third, he had pain or headache by aggravated bending the head forward, or headache by deep breathing, deep inspiration, and headache with constipation. Next was the patient was very sure that he had that tanawa feeling. So if you repetize this symptom, it is called as stretched. The skin feels as if stretched, and there's twisting on the head, especially in the temples, and bursting headache after stools. These 6 to 7 symptoms very specifically told by the patient. If you repetize, a very rarely used medicine in case of headaches. We'll come to the repertory chart. I prescribed this patient Ratania. Yes, Ratania 1 ml. One dose on the day 1. I repeated after 15 days. In 3 months time, the patient's symptoms were near to normal. This is the magic of homeopathy if your remedy is right, and this is the magic of the art of interpretation. Ratania more frequently I use in cases of burning in the rectum and fissures. Those symptoms are so common in Ratania, and so frequently we get results with Ratania, but we never think about Ratania in case of headache or migraine. Remember, Ratania persons are very lean persons, generally indicated when the persons are lean. So in this, I gave you a short picture about headache of Ratania. If you want to recap, remember the symptoms: swelling in the occiput, pain extends from the occiput to the vertex, or pain extends forward. Next, pain or headache aggravated by bending the head forward or by deep inspiration or with constipation. Stretched feeling in the scalp, stretch or twisting feeling in the scalp and twisting in the temples, bursting headache after stools, lean patients. A complete picture of Ratania headache. My dear friends, use this in your practice. You will get wonderful results. Thank you for hearing this video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.